Okay, today we are unboxing Wzatco multimedia projector, where it has autofocus, auto keystone, where it automatically focus when the screen is projected, and it supports to the full HD, and also where it is in A2 to the 1080p resolution, but it supports to the 4K as well when we connect it to the external devices, and it supports as a hi-fi sound, where we can connect to the external home theater and enjoy the sound experience, cinematic experience. And it supports multimedia connection, where we can connect to the mobile, laptop, TV and other devices dynamically. So this is the new model, and the color is black, and the input and output is 100 and 240 watts. And size is this one, it weighs approximately 2 kilos. Here is the box, where how it looks like. Actually I bought it from Amazon, and it priced around 11,700 rupees. I bought it in the Republic Day sale. I have with the addition of the SBI bank offers. Let's unbox it. Yeah, so let's unbox this device. So the box comes, it's in a nice plastic boxes, and when I open it, I have seen the projector, which is closed very neatly. And this is the projector device, where we will unlock it later. And in this box we will get one more box like this, but this is the empty. Let's unbox it, what we have in here. Yeah, so in this box we will get a warranty card. We will get 12 months warranty on this Wzatco Neo projector, and one power cord cable, and we have a guide how to use it. It has all the settings, important notes, projector, remote control about, and how we can use, all are covered in this warranty card, this card. And we have a remote control, which is very premium, looks very premium. And we have a AV cable, where we can connect it to the sound device using this. Yeah, putting all this aside, we will unbox the projector now. So this is the projector, where we got in the thermocol sheet, package it, weigh it neatly, and now let's unbox it. Yeah, so this is the Wzatco Neo projector. The upper body looks very premium, which is finished with the fabric material, and it has some buttons to on, to make the directions, and also we have a focus reduction and increase button, where we can control the focus from here. And in the back side we have the ports, two USB ports, HDMI ports, and AV cable, and where we also connect to the headphone device. And this side we have a fan input. In this type also, here we have a fan, and here we have a where we can mount using the wall mount, and there is a screw where we can yeah, so where we can make the project with the suitable height which we required using this screw. And this is the front view of the projector, and after removing this cable, here how it looks like. And we also have a dust filter, which is very good in this Wzatco Neo projector, where it prevents from dust and gives the more life on this. Now let's move on to the projecting this movie onto the screen. This is what the cable power input we got in the Wzatco Neo box. Let's connect it to the device. In Wzatco Neo we have dedicated port, two USB ports, two HDMI ports, AV cable, and a port dedicated to connect to the headphones. And these are the buttons we have in Wzatco Neo projector, where we using this. We can power on the projector, we can return to the previous session, and we can use this for moving the directions, and where we can increase and decrease the focus using this. And in the back side it looks like this. Yeah, using this we can clean the dust into the lens in the future, and here we can remove this and set it up to the wall mount if required. And this is the screw given to increase the height when we mount it on the floor. I just powered on the device. So after this we have here here how it looks like. Actually I projected it on the wall. See, it is how it is auto focusing on the wall. Yeah, this is the output where it automatically focused. I projected it on the wall. Actually the clarity is very good. It looks like TV. Now I'm moving to the settings. Here we have Wi-Fi settings. I'm connecting to my available Wi-Fi device. Now I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi network. It's connected successfully. Next I'm switching back. So I moved into projector settings, and here we have options like omnidirectional automatic correction, horizontal automatic correction, vertical automatic correction, autofocus, power on autofocus, and automatic screen enter. So there is we also have arc support here. So actually where it supports a 5.1 digital atmos arc when we connect it to the external home theater, which is very good in this Wzatco Neo projector. And moving to the next setting, yeah, we have omnidirectional automatic correction. I'm turning off this. After that we get a option to zoom out. I'm zooming it out, and also we have option to correct the keystone. Horizontal keystone. Yeah, now I connected. I installed the YouTube on this device. Now let's connect it to the YouTube. Clarity is very good. So this is the clarity. How it looks like. Actually the sound output is very good. See how the clarity it looks like. It's